Okay, I have used Wizer to create a personalized worksheet on syllables that has to do with phonemic awareness. So to start, my instructions are tell me how many syllables are in each of the following words. And this is in create mode, so this is the teacher's perspective. So the syllables in each of the following words: cat, 11, tennis, napkin, butterfly, bat, computer, and bus. And I have selected the correct answer. The multiple choice selections are 1 syllable, 2 syllables, or 3 syllables. With Wizer, you can create open-ended questions, multiple choice. That is what I did. You can do blanks, you can do images, matching, tables, sorting, drawing, simple text. You can add in images, videos, and links. Have class discussions, reflection, word search, puzzles. There are so many tools you can add into a worksheet with this website. So this is the teacher's perspective, a preview of it for, let me save that. So a preview of it, this is what it would look like on a student's end. So cat, and they can select their answers here. There's all the questions. And then you can hit assign. This website pairs with Google Classroom. Now, I don't actually have a class right now, so I don't have a Google Classroom to link it to, but all you have to do is click this link here, and if I had a Google Classroom, I would be able to link it to my classroom. So overall, this is a great website to create personalized worksheets. If you just can't find something that you really need, you can create it yourself. So overall, great tool.